In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Candy Crush Saga login problems. To fix login problems in the Candy Crush Saga, first of all, you'll need to make sure that your device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you are connected, go ahead and force close your Candy Crush Saga application. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to bring up the app switcher. You can also close off this app switcher by pushing off the app card upwards and releasing your finger. Once you force close your application, the next thing to do is to check for latest update for Candy Crush Saga. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and then in the search bar at the top, type in Candy Crush Saga. Within the search results displayed on the screen, look for the Candy Crush Saga application, which looks like this, and then look if there is an update button available instead of open. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga. Now, after you've made sure you have the latest version, tap on the open button to launch open Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Now, after you open it up, accept to the terms of use in privacy policy and then click on Retrieve My Progress to log into your account. While logging into Candy Crush Saga, you can sign in using your Facebook account or with your Apple ID, also with your King account's email. Choose any one option you'd like to sign in with and follow through the instructions. Make sure that you have necessary information such as your chosen methods, email and password, and you will then be able to log in to Candy Crush Saga by one of your chosen method. After you follow all these prompts, you can easily fix login problems in Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.